Hey guys, this is Ryan with Pool Rescuers at the Pool Shop. Wanted to shoot this quick video for some changes that we're doing in 2018. In the past, I used to pay strictly on salary, whether it be on bringing a new guy on or an existing service tech. It was always salary. I would pay out every week, of which I believe that they were performing at. There would be some negotiation back and forth, but it was do your job, you get paid this much. There was some issues with that because I couldn't necessarily motivate the guys to go above and beyond their workload. A lot of my techs would a lot of the times, but there were some techs and there are some times that filter needs to be cleaned and they just wouldn't do it because they needed to stay on schedule. I would try to put as much work on a certain day to try to get done what I thought needed to be done, and I would see jobs being rolled over. The completion rate wasn't what I thought it would be, and it just caused some issues. So moving forward in 2018, our biggest change that we're having is our different pay structure. We're going to do more of a spiff or a flat rate or a commission payout, depending on what kind of work that it is, per pool pay. And one thing that I've really tried to avoid this system for is because of the amount of effort it takes for the office to be able to calculate these paychecks. It takes a lot of time to make sure that the pools are serviced and that the pools, they're getting paid for the pools that they do service. So that's one thing that I really stayed away from and tried to avoid, but we opened the doors and have been going this way. Another thing that's changing is the techs are responsible for billing me out. So we have a system in place that we bill out a customer. If the job is done, completed, we then bill out the customer. For the service techs to get paid, they need to bill me out. We created a system where they can bill me out, and so every day I can go in, see what jobs were completed the day before, and put that onto their paycheck, So at the end of the pay period, they could see their check, they could calculate or see every job that I paid out for, cross-reference it with what they billed me, and keep that checks and balances in place. Another thing that we're going to change is allowing the techs to contact the customers. I've always been scared to do this, and I know that other business owners and companies don't like the techs necessarily reaching out to the customers directly, but I've opened the door on that as well, so any of my techs can reach out to any of my customers at any time. I've never done this before, so if you've done it and have some opinions on this, please share them with me. But my idea behind this is they have the face-to-face interaction with these customers on a weekly basis. And I don't. I'm here at the office. I'm not in their backyard every week. It's impossible for me to be in everyone's backyard every week. So what I do on my end is make sure that I do the emails, whether it be constant contact or just a quick email blast to everybody. If issues do arise, I make sure to get on the phone with that customer as quickly as possible. I send them updates, newsletters, so at least they're still seeing my face and hearing from me personally, and they know that I'm the guy that's going to take care of anything and everything that comes up. This will allow my techs to create their own workload. If they want to hustle and grind and make some money, they can. If they want to just, get their comfortable paycheck, of which they want, with something they like doing, like servicing pools, they have a sense of ownership in there that they can choose. I'm no longer going to keep my thumb down on these guys. I want them to work hard, and I do have minimums in place that if they don't hit those minimums, some changes will be made. But I really want to make sure my techs are doing exactly what they want, that they enjoy their jobs, that they enjoy their atmosphere, their team building and all that. So please subscribe to my channel, comment below, and send some suggestions, because some comments interact with me. You can find us on Facebook, you can find us on Instagram. Just posting these videos because nobody really talks out there. I want to know what people are doing, what works, what doesn't work, and this is a way to communicate to a lot of people quickly. So send me your feedback, what you guys do, what you don't like, what works for you. some issues that you've had, anything that you might be able to send out will help. And in the meantime, just keep skimming. Thank you.